Don't mind the video in the background. Just look at this cat. Don't be listening to anything else. We're watching funny cat videos. Who needs funny cat videos when you already got a funny cat? This cat right here is Sebastian. If you love cats doing this type of thing, then I bet you'll be laughing at this. Here, you hold the camera, let me try.
Make no mistake about it. This is a war between the people of this country and those who seek to control us. This strike's over. You killed 2 men in this town. Can't have your farmer's truck getting any bigger.
Come on, Sebastian. Do it.
Power must be recognized for what they are. You're gonna save them, pour them on the sun. You're working this now, this night. So leave when you can.
He's getting tired now.
Okay, stop the video.